If you want to share your Instagram profile with others, you can do so using an Instagram link. In this video, we'll guide you on how to obtain the link to your Instagram profile, and make sure to stay until the end for a bonus tip on how to see liked posts on Instagram. On mobile, click the profile icon at the bottom right, and select the Share Profile button. Tap the Copy Link option under the QR code to get your Instagram profile link. Alternatively, you can also type Instagram's URL followed by your account username. To find your username, tap on your profile icon, and your username will be at the top of the app. Note that you should not include the @ symbol in your Instagram link. On desktop, log into Instagram through a web browser, click on Profile in the sidebar to the left of the screen, and your profile link will be ready to copy from your browser's address bar. And as a token of appreciation for staying with us, here's a bonus tip on how to view liked posts on Instagram. Simply tap on the others count beneath a post's likes. From there you can see everyone who has liked that post. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, explore our complete playlist of Instagram tutorials for more insightful content.